In this short video, I will give you step-by-step instructions to give you the knowledge, a tools list, and torque specs to get the job done. If this video is helpful and saves you time, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'll be showing you how to change the rear shocks and shock mounts in a 2015 Chevy Impala. Here are the AC Delco part numbers, and here is a list of tools that you'll need. To get started, raise the vehicle up. Take the rear wheels off. These are a 22mm. Then locate the upper mount bolts. They are underneath this inner fender. The inner fender is this mesh material and it can be moved easily, so you won't have to remove it. Remove the upper shock mount bolts. These are an 18mm. Then locate the lower shock bolt. This is a 21mm for the bolt and the nut. Hold the nut with a wrench and remove the bolt with an impact. And now you can remove your shock and mount as one unit. Compared to the new ones, there is a left and a right. Then install your new shock. Start with the lower shock bolt. This is torqued to 110 foot-pounds. Then in order to get the upper bolts lined up, you're going to have to use a jack with a board like this and jack up the steering knuckle. Get one side started and then the other, and then tighten them down. These are torqued to 74 foot-pounds. Then use a wire brush to clean up the mating surface between the wheel and the rotor, and then reinstall your wheel. Tighten up your lug nuts. These are torqued to 110 foot-pounds. If your lug nuts are swelled up like mine were, you can use this 22.5 socket. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to get more short and to the point how-to videos like this. That saves you time so you can get more done.